The water is flowing out from under the house's crawl space into the driveway because it has nowhere to go. This is unbelievable, the flooding. I don't know if you can see how my driveway is a friggin' river. The whole front yard is totally underwater. This is unbelievable. There is nowhere for all this water to go. And it's going to keep raining. And the pump is trying to do a little bit. I don't know if you can see through the bushes how there's a river just flowing next to Deaver's house. I've got a river under my own house. This is unbelievable.